y'all, so I picked up some new skincare products. I'm trying this simple moisturizing face wash. No color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. So I know I have like sensitive skin sometimes, so I thought something like this would be helpful. I usually get dark circles under my eyes, so I thought I might try a brightening eye gel. Protect and glow, baby. Okay, helps brighten, hydrate, and relieve screen stressed eyes. I picked up some hydrating gel cream, water boost, long lasting deep hydration with 11% hydrating actives. So there's a few things I want to do today. We need to go grocery shopping. Oh, and take that Christmas tree down. What's up, yo? Back at the gym. Today is the day I train with my brother. He's about to call me. All right, let me get in there. He's asking if I'm at the gym.
Yeah. Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. Yeah, that thing's so vibrant. I wanna know if you can give me the keys to your heart, baby. All I need is you. All I need is you. You right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila. Vanemia yila. Ewe muleji. Mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila.
So I have not shopped nearly as much as I used to. I've only grabbed a few things like for winter. Anyway, let me just show you. So this is a dress. It's like an asymmetrical, like off the shoulder type dress. It's faux leather, has a little split here, and it's like a short dress in this little beige color. I got this from ASOS. It's a size large. And I bought this just for like a date night or a night out. Have not worn it yet. I'll try to wear it on a trip coming up soon. This is a hoodie. This is from H&M, the men's section. And I get these in a size medium. So it's like another beige. And this is boucle. I got this from H&M. It's actually a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be, and it fits like a bit oversized. It's in a size large. And it's a double-breasted blazer with gold buttons. And I think I've only worn this once just because it's been too heavy. And whenever it's super cold, we haven't really gone out, so or this just wasn't the vibe. This hoodie, which is just the same style as this one, but this is in a green color. These boots from H&M as well. They look like giant boats here, but they're cute. I kind of stand out when I wear these here. People like to wear black a lot, and I do as well, but when I try to change it up, I kind of stand out. But these are like classic Chelsea's, a clunky Chelsea boot. And these were a bit higher cut on the ankle. So I don't think it's quite calf height, but they're pretty tall. So I really like these. Got a lot of wear out of these this season. Got these from H&M too. And here I'm a size 8, I think. This says 41. But yeah. I picked up these combat boots from Target. So these are all fresh new this season. Like, got these before winter started. I've worn these a lot too. You can see the wear. This is a wool coat from Zara. This is gray, and like it's their classic single breast wool coat. It's kind of thin and it runs a little bit small compared to another one that I have. But this is in a size large, and I've worn this a few times. Classic. These cargo pants from H&M. They're from the men's section. I think they are in a size large. Yeah. But these are slim fit. So I don't love the way, I actually don't love where the pocket falls on me with what I want to wear. But I still like cargo pants. So I got this pair in gray, and then I got them in a green color too. I'm trying to get on board with the wide leg trend. These are some wide leg dress pants I got from Zara. So this is how wide they are. But these are a bit tight. I got these in a size large. Maybe I need an extra large, not really sure. Tight around the waist and the bum. But the rest is, no, they're actually a little short too. So anyway, these aren't very flattering on my body type. So yeah, I might be giving up on the trend, or I think I'll try like one size larger and maybe a little longer. And if I don't like it, I think I give up, because I bought some jeans too, and they pretty much all fit the same way, and they give me like this pouch. It's not flattering that other pants don't give me. So yeah, but they're cute if I suck my stomach in a lot and don't eat anything, which is never gonna happen. So sticking with basics, I got like 3 of these long sleeve tops from H&M. One in, I think I got 4. So I got this one, a tan one, a green one, and a black one. And these really come in handy. I actually wear these under my blazers when I wear them. So this is a nice layering piece. And this is like the ribbed material. So these are cute to like wear out or in on a casual day, whichever you prefer. But these are just like the plain cotton ones, and it has like a wider neck. And I usually like to wear these under like sweaters and my sweatshirts, because you can't see the neckline on this neck. And I got this like in white, tan, and gray. Got all those from H&M. And then I also picked up some pajamas. This is a nude white color, like the black ones I already have. And it has like black stitching on it. So these are a size large from H&M. I just recently picked them up. Low top sneakers from Nike. I know people do like the high top ones with the little black swoosh. Like they're like wrestling shoes. I don't know. A lot of people wear those now, or for like weightlifting. But I thought they were super cute, nice and minimal for my chill days when I want to wear a trainer. And when I was there, I also got these trainers. Just a plain black Nike pair for working out and stuff. I picked up some workout sets too that I can show you, but that's pretty much it. That's almost nothing for like a whole season to go by. I still feel like I need some clothes for going out. So I think I'll still try to check and see some button downs, some cutout shirts, and maybe some dresses. Just because I feel like my wardrobe is super casual, which I love most of the time. But when I go out, I kind of want to like elevate it a bit more. So yeah, we need to figure out sizes and stuff first. also trying to get into flower arrangements. These aren't the best, but they look pretty on camera. I'll see what we're working with.